Hey Coaster Spotters, this is Alex, bringing you another update of Wonder Woman Lasso of Truth at Six Flags Great Adventure. Originally wasn't going to give you this update, but didn't really want to bury this in a long vlog, and I wanted to have a separate construction update for the future. One of the main changes here is they're pouring some footers. This is probably for like a column type of facade that we've seen on other Wonder Woman type rides. Here's another shot of it over there on the left. And as far as the cube building goes, the concrete has now been poured. But as I said, just a quick update. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you're excited for Wonder Woman. And please rate and subscribe. Thanks.